Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So I'm super excited because I was just so shook. I tested out a product. If you guys haven't seen by the title and everything, I tested out this at-home lash kit, which is this one. And so I originally found it on Amazon. The reviews are like 50-50. Some of them are really good, others say there's defects to it, but I tested it out. This is actually like 2 or 3 days after. It is Monday today. The next clips you're gonna see are done on Friday, so it's been a couple days and the results are insane. If you guys haven't seen already by the thumbnail, maybe that's why you clicked on this to see the insane before and after. I can't believe it how good it worked, especially for my first time using it. It was so easy to apply. This video is not sponsored at all, by the way. I bought it with my own money on Amazon. I think it was like $25. And this is my eyelashes right now with no mascara on. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like with mascara. So I actually haven't even seen what it looks like with mascara on. I did it and I didn't wear my eyelashes. I didn't wear makeup for the whole 2 days just because I didn't want to make it like wear off any sooner or that. So I'm gonna put on mascara right now. Oh my god, do you guys see that? So that is with mascara and this is without mascara. I noticed that this eye did, it didn't hold the curl as good as this eye, which it does happen. Like I mentioned, I have gotten it done professionally in a salon and I noticed that this eye always just has a little less of a curl than this eye, but how crazy is that? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Boom. How insane is that? So they are my natural lashes, as you guys will see. It was super easy to do. It just took me a longer time because I was talking and everything, but yeah, I just wanted to do this intro quickly so you guys can see 3 days after all of that happened, they're still holding up. They're still really good. So I'm going to show you guys a kind of like tutorial, a sped up one, but I'm also going to kind of talk you guys through it so you know what to do, because some people were saying that the instructions on the box aren't clear, but for me they're pretty clear. It's pretty straightforward, but again, I've got it done professionally, so I kind of remember what they do, the steps they take, and all of that. Alright guys, so this is just an overview of the kit. So it comes with false lash glue, a nutrition serum, cleanser, fixation, and perm, and then it also includes some cleaning tools and lifting pads that come in small, medium, medium 1, medium 2, size large. Here's the kit, and then first step is always prepping. Make sure you clean your eyelids and eyelashes to make sure everything is nice and clean to start. Step number 2, apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotions. So for this step, I did add a lot of glue. I wasn't sure how much glue to use, but there was a bigger glue tube than all the other tubes, so I figured I could use a lot. I tried adding it on right away with one hand. It didn't work, so we switched to use 2 hands to the other mirror. I did let it get tacky here. As you just saw, it wasn't sticking, so I blew on it a little and then it stuck perfectly. We're gonna have to go in one eye at a time. I can't even see. I should have done my left eye first. Why did I do my right eye first? Next up, we put the glue on the pad. So the only thing about this kit, it doesn't tell you exactly how much to put, so I kind of just put a lot and I just kept going in until I felt it was enough to kind of secure all the lashes, because again, you want the lashes to really stick onto this lifting pad. Okay, I'm gonna let it get a little bit tacky. This is my eye right now. To get the lashes on the glue, I kind of just used my finger. I liked it better like that. I felt like it was easier to use than the tools that it comes with. I then also went in with a toothpick, as you can see right now, because when I go to the salon, she always does it with a toothpick because you don't want them to clump together, and you can kind of separate them, as you will see right now. That's how it looks. It seems to be secure on the glue. I am so shook at how it's already looking. Next, use the perm lotion number 1 on the eyelashes and then cover your eye with a plastic wrap. Oh my god. Why do I feel like this is what they use at the salon too? Because it smells just like this. It smells so bad. Like, oh, it smells disgusting, and that's exactly how it smells at the salon that I go to as well. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, it has been 12 minutes. I got a little distracted on Instagram, but we're gonna take this off. So it says use the perm, blah blah blah, apply the glue. Okay, so this goes off. Remove the perm lotion #1 with Y brush. Then apply fixing agent #2 on the eyelids and then cover your eyes with a plastic wrap. How do I take this off? It's like stuck. Ow. Oh my gosh. This one is blue. I don't know how much to put on, but I'm gonna put a fairly good amount. So that is what it looks like, and then again it says just to cover it. Ta-da! See you guys in step #3. Use the cleanser #4 to clean off the residue with the Y brush, wiping with the comb side. So I have to use this. It doesn't fit. Put some on the cotton pad and we'll dab this. What if I just clean it with this and then I go in with that? I think that's what we're gonna do. I definitely preferred using the cotton ball, so I would suggest also using it for this step. It's easier than what the instructions say and it works just as well. Let's take off the pads. I feel so weird. Also, just a reminder, when you are working around your eye area, please be careful, be gentle. Your eye area is very sensitive and you don't want to be too rough around it. You guys, it worked. Oh my god, okay, let me do the cleaning part. Guys, it looks so good. I don't know if you can already see it from that far. My eyes are still a little bit blurry. Oh, it's like yellow. Just gonna go on with the nourishing. Oh my, I am never going back to paying $100 for an eyelash lift and tint. Quickly gonna do like a speed up and just like a time lapse of me doing the next eye. So yeah, I'm not gonna really show you guys, but it worked. I'm super excited. I just cleaned this because it's silicone. I figured you can use it again. Hello? Hi, baby. Last and final step again is the nutrition. This one also turned out really good. I am so happy with the results of this. And so basically, like I said, I would get it done for about $100 where I normally go, and it lasts about a month and a half. So if this is the same, you guys are going to be saving so much money. And so when I go there, they tell me not to wet it for 48 hours. This doesn't say anything, but just to be safe, I'm going to try it out and not wet my eyelashes or wear mascara for 48 hours. So it's perfect for me. It is Friday right now and I'm not going anywhere. So I really don't have anywhere to go. I'm not going to put makeup, mascara. So I figured today was the perfect day to do this. And then I'll give you guys an update. I'll see you guys on Sunday. I'm going to see you guys on Sunday. I'll give you an update. But for now, your girl is off to clean this a little bit more. And then I'm going to go make cinnamon buns because I'm craving cinnamon buns, so I'm gonna do that. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. See you guys in 2 days. Alright guys, that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget May long giveaways. Go be sure to check up on all my videos to see if there's a hidden giveaway in that video, because it is not in the title, it is not in any of that. A lot of you guys have been already entering. You have a couple more days to enter the first week, so that's a little hint. There's still a couple more days to enter the first week of the giveaways. We have until Wednesday to complete the first giveaway, so go find that, have some fun, watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. Highly recommend this. Again, I will have it linked down in the description. It is not sponsored, it is not an affiliate link. You just need to pick this up and get it for your eyelashes. They're so good. I'm also going to do it on my mom, so I'm excited to do it on her. But yeah guys, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!